Lillian Frimpong abusuan odo na ye Waec controller e wo ye Bono East and Ahafo regions or the same koto dwa ye akefem concerning the BECE release date. Most of you you have been misled on the internet. BECE yesterday I was there, people were calling me, DMing me, asking me, is the results out? I want to check mine, I want to do that, I want to do this. And she talks about the release date and the reason why Bono and Ahafo, they are the leading centers for examination malpractice. They say, the household names are when it comes to examination malpractice, examination irregularities, they are the leading regions in the country right now. She talked more. We are going to play a video, but before then, make sure you subscribe to this platform. You follow us on all the social media handles so that you get updated on anything that goes on about your education.
So when him say one or two things can come up, body to not say amaswa. Obibeka say you can say the state, but you him
but surprisingly, articles being news stories be and then social media say GS release BECE results.
Yeah, GS ne release BECE. Waec ne release results. And sometimes your exams now all sorts of stories go out. Really results are by your grading for ni na ya tro. So be up information yen ye release ya press release about out say Waec nti yen abotre ye release obi abete.
Na wo mo ya na di mo anim speculative misleading misinform nkofo. Muni omuni asembia o.
Omuni yenim. Omun kan ye ho.
Okay.
O kan ye ho a wo be hu yen schedule. Nti definitely omun kan ye ho. Sometimes I feel say be no person we mischievous. Say friend is saying social media ne ade aba no obi afa mic sin anima and also funny pen and no kan ya opeso kan. Nti no wonni obi afia obetumi regulate. Nti ne betumi a kire ne say timamfo no omuntie anaso mo pe the right source Waec wo ho PR wo ho and afa ye de beba out yen fancy yen releasing fancy nti yen to ye boase ntwen official way release from Waec ne husaba
nti say ye manu tron so he say BECE say wasinu a mona esese ye twen mo samo den sunsuanso ne beba obi fufuro bi e kan bibi fan sunsuanso no ho a yen tie ni mienu
ba cho sa pepe yen e release
nice one and we see will be releasing very soon.
Very soon.
Okay. All right. The say ebase mo ye preparation to release the results are. Ya na say na na jishene tie.
Okay. Not just all patches say.
O ma trons of any.
Ya try we are process some activities. Ya try we are. Ya chichi ni nyina. Na afei ya chicha ko baby a ebe mark no. Per se ye tie ase say. Ya trons of hwe no wo sunyane ha. Ana abono ha. Ye mark no bono ha. Ye chiche emma the other regions so na other regions so ye chiche ko other places into ye yes ade any wie na afei ye call out ko market afei so nya Waec staff and the market exams no examiners ye teacher for omo classrooms omo teach candidates no apply na ya hwe application mu and na ye you so anya say ye you an ye the question papers amount se ko market
okay
ye you wie a yes, so say two questions in Umporia. Ye be can say yet tenacity, ye friend penny for tenacity shim, set it up and answer ye prepare what we call draft marking scheme.
Okay.
Any questions in there call. They are safe. But ye we are marking scheme ye finalize it. Until no chief examiners and then the team leaders, zonal leaders near the end ever tenacity a shim. Now, if you want a question there out, maybe you're not typographical error B, you're typing SBQB, and you're the share way no marking scheme no, now you see no. I feel you realize examiners now you invite one, you don't want to say, I don't want to go through marking scheme no, marku, near so share, near Ober market, Ober man 1, near Ober marking 2, near won't fa, na. Na ye so ye ma won mark bi a friend said dummy script script na nkasa o matro na ye photocopies na one mark intino team leaders na o ma ba ya coordinate won wie no mo so be coordinate a o mo hwe response no relating it to the questions.
Okay.
Now for ya share how we behave. And see every examiner be as a market damning snibby. Now your parcel say what when I know and sunny the question papers and I'm say Konako market.
Because Obi life it depending on that.
Can I say and yen eka per se but data na eka cancer science and based on over the years examination malpractices are ebano. A day di pefe say Bono East ne Ahafo no ne di kan. And menya sure say ye bibia ye betumi apem ye de ensa bepem ye akoko aka say o ye na ye say ne ye niji ho. Enya dia say ye pem ye bokasa. Nti me gidis nti na nkomo bebre akoso say na kan. Me gidis say ye nyina pese ye ho bibi. Ebi o ho na emma out. Reports ma out. Sama wo said ne ekoso ne. But now report about out. Nti bebre na da wo ho so. Teachers are concerned, schools are concerned, private schools are concerned, even parents, because stakeholders now and parents now are involved, and school for normal exams in Ankasa. Because I would show up Bonoha. Now one of the repercussions, and they say, "Oko University now be Akasa. Oh, Bono, you see data. Mona muchiti into results. No problem. What's not share their patron no? Ebi kra na ubapo. Enkoye.
Sure.
Entino se afi obias hinebo. All stakeholders and komaye di nature say obia ya willing say yabeboa teachers nyina ya committed. Supervisors say yabeboa ma abafem. Enti se binum ohona eno no mo dia ya mo business a afi de omo hu say edom na nkasa aboa no so mo mai maso enti ye be ko etia wo enti bigidi se be ma akwachi
enti wo the centers no nsusu no ebi emfa nse ye nkasa emrasa but se ko ba se futu ne niamu ka nyina ebi no bebu nu egu mo sunso mo nti because om de ebi om de ayo business afi bia wo medidi ho enti afi nso mo hweso mbe ya se ko ba se fidie ni nya wo mo ma echi wo mo abambofo readily ewo ho a wo be hand wo move ama wo mo ana no no so hun share it saying
abambofo every center police ho
okay
because police in the best escort people na twuma ne so escort na to send ya mutwitwa ano ne ade na ankoso another one so say or make sure say people no abo ho ban ko do exam so and exam so basabasa bi ama enti se basabasa bi ba immediately no ye be hand over ma police no then they call station to handle it.
Then no be free another officer no be fana call ana ono na be call because me say so ne ko no oja ho sa answer
sir on to me call be free another officer na waba and ye ni police for no so ye adwuma we are all working together.
That's right.
And in omo nim say around this time exams time any call that comes no omo readily on be boy na you to me ama sanity aba.
Nice one mama